Alright, let's begin. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to YouTube. Once you get to YouTube, you're going to click on your channel icon. After you do that, you're going to go to YouTube Studio. And you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see customization, and then you're going to click on that. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to go to branding. And you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see video watermark. Now, I already have mine installed, so I'm going to remove it. And then I'm going to upload it so you can see the process. So you're going to click on upload. And you're going to scroll down to the subscribe button. And then you're going to hit done. I'll show you how to get the subscribe button in a few minutes. Once you have your subscribe button, you get to pick and choose where you want it at. You can have it either at the end of the video, a custom start time, or you can have it going on the entire video. For this demonstration, I'll click the entire video. Once you do that, you're going to hit publish. Once you hit publish, you're going to go to channel. And you're going to click on videos. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down to any one of your videos. I'll pick this one. And as you can see my subscribe button right there. And now people can click on that and subscribe to my channel. Now let me show you guys how to get the actual subscribe button. Go to google.com, type in YouTube subscribe button. Once you do that, you click on images and then find the button that you like. Once you find the button you like, you can right click it, hit save image as, save it wherever you want, and then you go back and do the process on how I showed you how to install the watermark. So that's pretty much it. I hope this helps you guys out. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to comment. If you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.